Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi guys, I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now this afternoon and evening when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. Hello, Libra, for the month of July. Welcome to your July readings. Stay tuned for the outdoor message. It was a beautiful one. And July is a 7 month, so lucky number. We've had beautiful messages of receptivity in our outdoor message. So let's go ahead and pick your cards. You've got the Guardian Angel card, Libra. So you have some messages coming in from your Guardian Angel. One, play. And let's go ahead and pick another one. Retreat. So take a step back. Take a step back from your daily activities, some of which have been weighing you down. And well, another card's popped out, spiritual growth. I'm going to take it, although I've been picking 3. Just going to adjust the lighting a bit. Sorry, I think I moved this accidentally. Okay, so yeah, spiritual growth. You've had some spiritual growth, but remembering your spiritual growth this month will help in your manifestations. And I think I'm going to also adjust the lighting a little. There we go. That seems better. Okay, great. Thanks, guys. So we're also picking from the Angel Answers pack today. Let's go ahead and pick your 3 cards. Just give it a good shuffle. Trust. Remember and trust and have faith in you, in life, in yourself, in those you love, and also in the manifestation of your dreams. And meditation brings answers. So where you have a lack of trust or doubt, meditation will help you, bring you those answers. Oh, and ask for help from others. Ask for help from others. Interesting, Libra, this also came out in the sign before you, in Virgo. So you have some lovely signs, lovely cards today. And let's go right off the bat. You have Guardian Angel and playfulness. So remember to play. Message from your Guardian Angel. Remember also to take steps back from what you maybe have been doing daily life. Maybe it's been a bit difficult to cope. Maybe you have been using coping mechanisms. Try to take a step back from that. And remember that your spiritual growth, how far you've come in growing and in being who you are. And all that you have achieved and are inspired to achieve, that will help you manifest those things that you want to this month. 7 is a wonderful month of a lucky number numerologically, and our outdoors message said that ships will be coming in from all signs this month. So yours and almost every sign had the "You're Ready" card come up. So I think you're just like the others are ready to receive your manifestations. Just remember to keep playing and keep taking a step back from that which does not serve you, and having your light-hearted energy of play will attract those manifestations to you. Trusting and also meditating Just take a few moments to breathe. Will help bring the answers intuitively to you. You are quite an intuitive sign. You're an air sign, and air intuitively picks things up. And the last card, ask for help from others. So remember to ask for help. If you're having trouble, if you're trying coping mechanisms that are not working, besides retreating from them, you can also ask for help. Libra. So I think this was besides the play card, it was a little more of constructive advice for you, but you have some beautiful cards here. You have playfulness, you have retreat, which is also another form of a holiday, and remember to trust. So Libra, that is your reading for the month of July. I wish you a wonderful month of July. Comment down below with what you're having faith in the universe to help you achieve, and do enjoy the month of July, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum, so I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie actually, that I've been watching recently. So I think whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat thing out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy you spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help you to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as we go through the month of July. Remember to use the element of water to help you flow with the
magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create a new dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air, and the element of the earth. Remember to be and stay grounded, and just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings, and I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky, and remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself in nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.